Hello everyone, welcome back to Simplicity Reimagined. So in my previous video, I was explaining that I was going to be rebranding my YouTube channel to focus more on the subject of minimalism. Now the reason for that is that I wanted to focus more on the lifestyle part of my channel, as said in the description. But have no fear everyone, I'm still going to be posting studying videos and hopefully more art videos, especially in the summer, since I'll have more time when school is not in session. And of course, I'm going to be providing more fun content to watch, such as vlogs, since I really enjoyed vlogging in the Christmas time during 2018. Aside from all of those announcements, in this video I was just prepping for second semester for biology and just taking chapter 3 notes, which did take a long time and I didn't do it over a course of one day. Currently we are learning biochemistry. And for second semester, my plan is to make a review sheet after every single unit or chapter that we cover in the book. Basically, a review sheet is the front and back of an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. Before I start doing this review sheet, I will actually be continually adding on to a Quizlet that I'll be later using at the end of the semester for the final review. This way I will be forcing myself to study in small increments over a long period of time, and therefore all that information that I was given in class will be set in my brain, and therefore I'll be more prepared for the final and I'll be less anxious to take that test. Additionally, aside from all of this studying, I'm going to be providing you fresh new content regarding minimalism in the form of mini-series. Now, each individual video in the series will be hopefully less than a minute long, unless it's an intro to a new subject regarding minimalism, or if it's an explainer of why we're doing something that will boost our opportunity to become more of a minimalist. If you guys are interested on where you can find these ideas for the mini-series, you can actually check in the description box below, and it's just listed in numbers, so like 1, KonMari method of folding, 2, a 30-day minimalism challenge. It's in no particular chronological order, so I'm just throwing out those fun ideas to get you guys excited for the upcoming videos. Thank you for supporting my channel in 2019.